What's up, YTV? You're listening your boy DJ and we're back with another episode. Last night was really big in measure. We had premiere of the upcoming TV series BMF. Man, never play with my man Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. Man, after party was really crazy. We had Snoop Dogg, Tip, Florida, G-Unit, The Baby, and many more. I want to show you exclusive footage by Uncle Snoop Dogg.
The big ball dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep on blue flag hanging on my backside, but only on the left side, yeah.
So guys, if you don't know, yours truly, Uncle Snoop Dogg is casting in BMF. He have role in this movie and this is crazy, man. How many legends in BMF? Wow.
We do the reading is scripted. On Wednesday.
In case it was premiere of BMF, we had really hip-hop celebration last night, man. OG Snoop Dogg Reunited with 50 Cent, man. Here on the screen you're watching K1lling and Curtis Jackson. Also guys, 50 Cent stated in the newest interview that K1lling is also casting in BMF.
This project,
Reunited!
that's right.
Reunited! That's my nigga right there!
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll turn this bitch up, nigga. Better stop
Yeah, man,
playing.
this project is, Power was an amazing project. It was amazingly successful. It was the highest rated show for African
Number one.
Americans in Latino.
Swear to God.
I'm really proud of it.
These are my favorite trap.
But it wasn't a true story.
So guys, before I will finish the video, I have some exclusive news for you. As my bird said, Snoop Dogg and 50 Cent recorded some soundtrack for BMF. Wow, this is crazy. Free Big Meech, stay tuned. We have new TV series BMF on the way. This is legendary, man. Also, don't forget about upcoming Eazy-E tribute show. We have Lil Eazy-E, we have Sons of the Bone Thugs and Harmony, and we have very special guys for you. So stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. This is YTV, this is when you love hip hop. Peace.